What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Espresso Bar, and today I'm here to share some exciting news of what I'll be doing on my YouTube channel. So I figured that practice makes perfect when coming to latte art, and a lot of people like to watch latte art to make their skills better at home. So what I've decided to do is make these little segments of videos that I'll be posting on my YouTube channel each and every day called Late Night Latte Art with Dylan Licka. I'm going to be going through the process of steaming the milk, dosing, and also doing the latte art. They're going to be about a 2 to 3 minute short video each and every day just to show you how I can transform my latte art to get better, and you can do the same at home. And I'm also going to be posting along with 2 or 3 edited videos a week. So I will be posting about 10 videos on my channel per week to help you guys at home, and I hope you guys feel joy. Here comes the first one. Roll it.